Hi guys, welcome to my iPhone Sport YouTube channel, and today in this tutorial video I will show you how to fix Apple Watch Facebook Messenger shows login from the paired iPhone in iOS 13. Let's start the video without wasting any time. So first and basic method is enable Bluetooth. To check that, go to Settings app on your iPhone. On the Settings app, tap on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is turned on, turn it off and wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on. Method number 2, update your iPhone. To do that, launch Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General and then tap Software Update at the top of the page. If the latest version of iOS is appearing, click on Download and Install button to install latest version of iOS. Method number 3, update your Apple Watch. To do that, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. On the Apple Watch window, tap My Watch tab. Next, tap General and then tap Software Update. If the latest version of watchOS is appearing, click on Download and Install button to install latest version of watchOS. Method 4 is reset all settings. Guys, the fourth way to fix this problem is to reset all your settings. When you reset your all settings, you are going to reset your Bluetooth settings, Wi-Fi settings, home screen layout settings, GPS settings and anything related to the app. To reset all settings, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General under the Settings. On the General page, completely scroll down to find Reset and tap it. Tap Reset All Settings, then tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. Solution 5 is uninstall and reinstall the Messenger app. To uninstall the Messenger app on Apple Watch, press and hold the Messenger app until you see all the apps start to jiggle. Click on X symbol next to the Messenger app, then click on Delete app to confirm your operation. Once you remove the app, you have to turn off automatic app install. To turn off automatic app install, firstly launch Watch app on your iPhone. Click on My Watch tab at the bottom left corner. Then click General and then click Automatic app install toggle to turn it off. Now download and install Facebook Messenger app again on your Apple Watch. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.